Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by checking the 20A power window fuse and the 12V supply at the motor. With the ignition on, remove the fuse and test it, then probe the motor connector for 12V while an assistant presses the switch. Test the switch and listen for motor noise when holding the switch. A clicking relay suggests power, but a bad motor or regulator. Inspect the regulator for bent arms or a dropped glass track, and look for frayed wiring or corrosion at connectors before moving to disassembly. Remove the door panel by removing visible screws and prying clips with a trim tool. Peel back the plastic vapor barrier carefully to avoid tearing it, then disconnect the switch harness and speaker connector. Test the motor directly with a 12V supply before removing the regulator to confirm motor failure. If the motor runs, the regulator is suspect. Support the glass with tape or a wedge, then unbolt regulator with a 10 mm socket and lower the assembly slowly to free the window. Lubricate tracks and regulator with white lithium grease after cleaning any grime or old grease from contact areas. Reinstall the regulator and motor assembly, securing fasteners to factory tightness, then snugging evenly. Align the glass within 2 mm of its guide brackets before tightening the clamp bolts. Reconnect the switch harness and reinstall the panel, replacing any broken clips. Cycle the window 10 times to confirm smooth operation and proper auto reverse. Check for unusual noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.